Welcome, students, to the second part of word meanings from chapter 8 of your course book, Saving the Tiger. The first word I'm taking today is crucial. It is an adjective, it means extremely important. And this word can be found in the sentence These foot patrols are crucial for detecting snares and traps. Some synonyms for the same word can be critical, decisive, pivotal, determining, or determining, deciding, afflictive, acute. The words opposite in sense, that is, antonyms for the word crucial, are insignificant, unimportant, trivial, inferior, worthless, minor, non essential, negligible. It can be used in the sentence as in the following ways. The neighbor played a role in setting the dispute. This paragraph gives crucial hints in solving the mystery in the story. An early diagnosis is crucial for the treatment of cancer. The second word for today is diligently, which is an adjective. It means carefully or attentively. This word can be found in the line in the story. The laws are not enforced diligently. Other words for diligently are industriously, busily, agilely, earnestly, energetically, laboriously, nimbly, intently, ardently, persistently. And the words which go opposite in meaning, antonyms, are idly, inactively, casually, lazily, disinterestedly, and ignorantly. Let us see how you can use this word diligently in sentences. Mrs. Avasthi diligently raised his 4 children with meager income. The farmers diligently worked on the barren land to grow melons. Rohit completed each one of his tasks diligently. The third word for today is threat. It means danger, and this word occurs in the sentence Tiger poaching is a major threat. Some related words are threaten, which is a verb, threatened, the past tense of threaten, and threatening, the continuous form. Synonyms for the word threat are danger, peril, warning, risk, peril, it has been repeated, menace, intimidation, hazard. The words opposite in meaning to this are, that is, the antonyms are safety, surety, certainty, promise, encouragement, allurement, and harmless. And many others are there, of course. And this word can be used in sentence as poaching poses a threat to the wildlife. Live wires overhead on the roads are a threat to people's lives. His words meant to be a threat. The fourth word for today is thriving. It means flourishing or growing well. And this word occurs in the sentence as good protection measures have resulted in thriving tiger populations. Some related words are thrive, thrived, and thriving, of course. The synonyms for the word thriving are prosperous, healthy, successful, blooming, lush, flourishing, progressing, lively, and bustling. Some antonyms for the word thriving are, now remember children, if the word is in ing form, the antonyms must be in the ing form. It can be. So here I've taken the antonyms as declining, diminishing, drooping, languishing, decaying, waning, withering, and wasting. For example, it can be used in sentences as Cacti thrive in sandy soil. His business is thriving even in the pandemic. The coastal regions thrive in seafood. Thank you. Revise well.